Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines under JAS. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Iros Dr. Lansan. I live in Barangay Conel, General Santos City, Philippines. I am 27 years old, ma'am, and my birthday is on January 27, and my religion is Protestant. Uh, I have two kids, ma'am, a daughter and a son. Their age and 2015, ma'am, uh, when I become a nanny to a 4-year-old child, and my task is to provide a child care. Uh, I am I am feeding her, uh, getting ready him to school, and fetching and bringing him from school, and I and 2017, ma'am, I became a I became a mom until 2022, year 2022, and I am a full-time mom, and I love taking care, and I describe myself, mom, as a loving and caring mother, and obedient, honest, and trustworthy mother, mom.
Okay, so it's a very nice introduction. I Rose, but I need to know some few more details from you, okay? Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
I am with live-in partner, mom.
Okay, so how old are those children again? Your children?
11 years old, mom, and 3 years old, mom.
What is your educational background?
I am graduate high school level, mom.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight?
My height, mom, is 5 flat, and my weight is 55 kilogram, mom.
Okay, so is your family allow you or your live-in partner allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, mom.
Later, he don't agree. Some more later, we have problem. So we don't have problem later. He allows you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes, mom.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia, knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
Please repeat, mom.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, mom.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother, mom, is 46 years old, mom, and she is a stay-home parent, mom.
Okay, so you know that being a domestic helper is very tough job. You need to endure hardship. You need to embrace the struggles. You need to embrace the pain. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Ma'am.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences also that you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that in usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time?
Yes, ma'am.
But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime after you finished your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You are going to stay inside the employer's house only. If you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned a while ago, I don't want later to have such a problem because in our initial interview, we already informed you about our rules and regulations. And we don't want later that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us or the employer that you will going to go out on your rest day. No such a thing because we will going to adhere with our terms and conditions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you are agree, then you can come. If you disagree, it's okay also. We don't want also problem later. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you are the one who apply and wanted to work here. Though so there is nothing to deal with us. Because in the first place, all the things that we already mentioned you about the rules and regulations is you also agree. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you handle homesickness knowing later that this will be your first time go around abroad and you will going to leave your children or your family in the Philippines and you will be working quite far away from your family? How will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
Maybe, ma'am, I can call them when I'm finished at my work and making uh call with them.
Call with them. Okay, so in your biodata, you also mentioned that way back 2015 to 2016, you worked for 1 year, right?
Yes,
And you
ma'am.
were a nanny for 4 years, okay? So did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing also at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so taking care of children while doing house chores at the same time, are you okay?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Um, Maybe, ma'am.
It's a
Uh,
yes or no. I don't want later to push you or to force you. No. It's either you are
yes,
okay to take care elderly or what? Yes or no.
no, ma'am.
That's good. So I don't want later that once there is an employer wanted to interview you guys and some more you ask, you say just yes, 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 somewhere in the interview you are not keen with. I don't want that. Okay? Yeah, I feel embarrassed also with the employer if like that. So we need to put it in the highlight also. Yeah?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Pet,
Are you afraid
ma'am.
of dogs or pet or cats or any kind of pets? Are you afraid what kind of pets you are afraid of?
I'm afraid of big dogs, ma'am.
So can you take care pets or no? Can you take care pets or no?
Ma'am? I'm afraid of big dogs, ma'am.
But can you take care pets or no?
Little, ma'am.
Yes or no?
The
I
little,
don't want little. I just wanted yes or no.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Little dogs, ma'am.
Okay. So as I have mentioned so many times, this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you are the one who will working inside the premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So always respect the employer. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but not in other countries. We need to follow their culture. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected to
Thank you.
WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much and have a
Thank you,
good
ma'am.
day. Bye.